Hi guys, NCWQ here, and I have y'all looking at EMSC, and there is a 7.6 at 100 kilometers deep in Kepulauan, Babar, Indonesia. It actually started out at a 7.8, and I would think maybe it might have been an 8.0 before, but we're going to go look at the region where this hit. We do know that it was 348 kilometers southwest of Tal, Indonesia. So we're going to look on Google Earth. You have to bear with me because this is a different Google Earth that I don't usually use. So this one is out in the ocean. I have not seen any reports so far for tsunami. Not saying that there aren't any, but I have not seen any reports yet, and we're going to check while I'm sitting here. As far as I can tell, the last one listed on here is for Vanuatu, so I don't see any new ones that are listed on here yet. This one that it was listed was for 1/8/2023, magnitude 7, Vanuatu, which would have been yesterday, so nothing new is listed yet. So this is the area where this earthquake hit. And there are islands around in this area. This is Babar Island here, Lewa, and Marang, and Dewalor Island. Anyways, you guys, that is the 7.8 that hit today. I'm going to say it was a 7.8. And it was in this region here. Hopefully that means that if there was to be any activity down in this area, that the push has been alleviated with the 7.0 yesterday and the 7.8 today. Anyways, you guys, much love. Please take good care of yourselves and each other.